Look at the board and pay attention. When the value of this variable...
I wouldn't be so bored in class. I'd find a thing or two to do.
I'm not sleeping. Hey, wake up. Just listen to that slime.
Yeah, can you come up with something interesting, huh?
What? We can do everything, and we'll prove it to you right now.
I doubt it. No one is more creative than me.
We'll see about that. Beware and behold. We're getting started.
Let's see what we have here. Let's start with this thing. What can we turn this into? Hey, Jack, catch!
On it. We'll get right to the spot and draw Professor Rick on this thing. And Sam's wig from earlier today will be my reference for the professor's famous hairdo. Up. Up. Our professor needs a couple of ears too. So serious. Here comes the eyes. The bigger they are, the more he sees. Just a couple more details and everything is ready. Wait, it won't last long like this. Let's bake it using this super flashlight. It's alive! Alive! So, what do we have here? Everything's dry and firm. It turned out great. Now it's time to take care of the coloring stage. We're getting a real and a bit crazy, Rick. I'll secure everything with glossy varnish, and it's done! So, who's bored at the lessons now? Isn't it a masterpiece? Yay!
Yeah.
We're the best!
You're busted!
I want to know right now, who's doing chemical experiments here? Huh? I see everything.
Nothing's happened here.
The wind is blowing me away!
It's all right. No chemical experiments, see? We're just writing in our notebooks, and this is just a pen cup.
We did nothing bad, really.
Oh yeah? Maybe that fog was coming from the outside. All right. But I'm watching you.
Phew, that was close. Hey, want to see what I came up with? Here's the trick. We'll paint these pieces into bright colors. Here are some more. Snap. And now we'll attach the parts to a suitable surface. Look, you need to work carefully with the glue gun. Let's speed up a little. Oh, we'll cover it with a lid, and our staple box is ready. Huh? What should I do with this? Actually, this bottle cap can finalize the overall look. Perfect fit.
What you doing?
Oh, we have a spy here. Stay put.
Hey, let me out! Freedom to Super Slime!
Okay, come out. But be quiet, or the teacher will see you. Now our paper clips will stay in one place.
Seriously? You don't think that someone will keep trying to steal them? Whoop.
Hey, what are you flying at?
What is that noise? You're in class, young man.
Yes, sorry. Do you need a paper clip? You can have some.
A paperclip? No, I don't need it now. And you keep quiet.
I don't get it. I have an idea on how to transform a marker. Let's do it in a Pickle Rick style. And the face is ready. Check this out. See, it's a green marker. Very convenient. But we're not done yet. Let's make the whole thing brighter using acrylic paints. Now let's test it. The teacher will be amazed.
Let me see that. Hey, I want to add some details here. That's a good use of this marker.
Oh, hey, give it back. I made
I
it.
draw better. Give it to me.
No.
It's mine.
Wow.
Wake up! Your students are not behaving!
What are you doing? Stop it right now!
Oops,
We didn't
sorry,
mean that.
Teach.
I'm amazingly smart and incredibly sly!
No way. The victory will be ours.
We're gonna prove that to you right now. This eraser is too big. Let's shrink it, like this. Now we can attach it to the pencil base. Let's add some foil. Just wrap it around this way. The arms and the leg pieces are already prepared. We'll speed it up. Let's paint it now and we can set our new friend free. We'll add some details to the face. So cool. So, Sammy, can you stand against this one?
Tell the teacher!
What is going on there? No toys allowed in class! Don't you know
This
that?
is not a toy, it's a new student pencil vester, see?
Don't take it out again.
So funny! You student!
I got it. No more toys. I'll put it away.
Don't be upset, buddy. I have an idea. And also, I have this mat. Check this out. Haha. First, we need to cover it with a layer of acrylic paint. Let's transfer this image. Up and done. It's so flexible. Oh.
What a great table surfing board! Hey, where did it go?
Huh? Oh, what a great mat. I'll keep it as a punishment for you.
What? Oh no.
Don't worry, man. I have more ideas.
This mat feels really nice. I like it. Oh, how comfortable. Keep quiet, you two.
Hey, Jack. Check out this cool blaster I've made. Awesome. Yeah.
Now we'll show Sam who's the boss here. Come on.
Yeah.
You won't catch me. Try if you dare.
What's going on? Why aren't you two at your desks?
Nothing's happening. I'm just gonna clear the board. Look. I'll make it look nice and shiny in a mere second. See for yourself.
Huh? Okay. Let me have that thing. And now go back to your seat.
Ugh, so close. What are you up to, buddy?
Just give me a second. Huh? Oh, I need this. All done. We'll keep here all our pens, pencils, and markers. Plumbus makes everything easier. We'll cover it with the lid, and no one will find our things. Wow.
It came out great. You're a genius.
What are you doing here?
Nothing special, ma'am.
Then what is this thing?
Just a box for pens and other small things.
Huh? Ah! Help! Help me! It's a mouse!
Huh?
What is she talking about?
Hey, look.
Oh. Ew, this is gross. Ah! Ugh.
I put it there. I'm so smart.
And still, we're cooler than you. Look at all this stuff we've made.
Yeah, let's
Am I
check
right?
out our masterpieces. So, Sam, are you gonna say that we are boring again?
No, but I will take this thing as a compensation. Hey, give it back! Will you?
We didn't agree on that, so go away.
But,
We won that
hey!
creativity contest.
What is this? Why did you use my character without permission? They bought it. I'm the most creative here, and I will take all of these crafts. I need them more. Bye-bye.